In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Samsung Calendar to Google. First, let's start by opening the settings on your Samsung device. You can do this by locating the gear icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you tap on it, you will see various options for managing your device. This is a critical step because the settings menu is where all account and sync options reside. So take a moment to familiarize yourself with this interface. It's essential to navigate this area with confidence, as it holds the keys to connecting your Samsung Calendar with your Google account. Next, tap on Accounts and Backup. This option is usually located toward the top of the settings menu. When you select it, you'll be brought to a screen that displays all your accounts and backup options. This step is significant because it acts as the gateway to managing your accounts. You will have access to various settings related to synchronization and data management. It is important to ensure you have the right account selected later on. From there, tap on Manage Accounts. This option allows you to see all the accounts currently linked to your device, including your Google account, email accounts, and others. When you tap this, a list will appear showing the accounts you have set up. It's crucial to know which accounts are connected to your device, as it helps in determining where your calendar data is stored. This understanding can save you time and hassle later when syncing your calendars. Now, select your Google account from the list. This is the account where you want your Samsung Calendar to sync. Tapping on it will take you to a new screen with additional settings specific to your Google account. This step is vital as it ensures you are syncing the calendar data to the correct account. If you have multiple Google accounts, double-check that you're selecting the one you intend to use for your calendar. After that, tap on Sync Account. This action will open a new menu displaying various sync options for your Google account. Here you will see toggles for different services like Mail, Calendar, and Contacts. This step is essential because it allows you to control what data is synced between your Samsung device and your Google account. Having the correct services enabled is key to ensuring your calendar data flows smoothly between the two. At this point, turn on Calendar. You will see a toggle switch next to the calendar option. By tapping it, you enable synchronization for your calendar data. This step is crucial because it directly impacts whether your Samsung Calendar will sync to your Google account. With this setting enabled, you can ensure that any changes you make in your Samsung Calendar are reflected in your Google Calendar, keeping everything up to date and organized. Finally, tap on Sync Now. This option is usually located at the bottom of the screen and can be a little easy to miss. Once you tap it, your Google Calendar will sync with your Samsung Calendar. You will see a confirmation message appear on the screen shortly after. This step is the culmination of all your efforts, and it ensures that your calendar data is now accessible across both platforms. By following these steps, you've successfully linked your Samsung Calendar with your Google account. This connection is important for keeping your schedules organized and easily accessible from any device. Remember, syncing your calendars helps ensure that you never miss an appointment, making your life easier and more efficient. Thank you for watching.